Welcome to Compare to Win. The best acrylic nail kit is probably one of the most exciting and transformative tools a budding nail artist can invest in, offering the potential to create stunning, salon-quality manicures right from the comfort of your home, allowing for unparalleled creativity and personalization in nail design, from classic French tips to intricate 3D embellishments, all while potentially saving you money on frequent salon visits and giving you the satisfaction of DIY mastery. Number 5. MelodySusie USB Nail Drill PC120i. Introducing the MelodySusie USB Nail Drill PC120i. It's designed for gentle nail preparation, making your manicure routine a breeze. With an adjustable speed up to 20,000 revolutions per minute, you have complete control over your nail care. Effortlessly switch between forward and reverse for a perfect finish every time. The convenient inline control allows for easy adjustments without interrupting your workflow. Enjoy a comfortable and efficient experience. Achieve beautifully smooth cuticles with this versatile tool. It gently buffs and refines, leaving your nails looking pristine. Say goodbye to difficult gel polish removal. This drill makes taking off your polish quick and easy, saving you time and effort. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this nail drill is perfect for beginners. Its user-friendly design ensures great results from your very first use. What we like. This tool is perfect for gentle nail preparation and cuticle smoothing. Its adjustable speed and forward-reverse function make it incredibly versatile for gel polish removal. If you're a beginner looking for a safe and effective way to prep your nails at home, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The acrylic powder is fine and easy to use, creating a smooth finish. The monomer liquid has a low odor, making the application process more pleasant. The kit includes a variety of essential tools like brushes, files, and tips, providing a comprehensive set for beginners. Number 4. Saviland Acrylic Nail Starter Kit. Discover the ultimate acrylic nail starter kit from Saviland. Everything you need for beautiful nails is right here. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. This comprehensive set makes nail artistry easy and accessible. From powders and liquids to brushes and files, this kit has it all. Unleash your creativity with a full range of tools and accessories. Ideal for those new to acrylics or looking to perfect their skills. Practice your techniques with included forms and press-on nails. Experience the quality and reliability Saviland is known for. Get ready to create stunning nail designs with confidence. What we like. This kit provides a comprehensive set of essentials for practicing acrylic nails at home. It includes clear, pink, and nude powders, along with all the necessary tools. If you're just starting out and want a convenient all-in-one solution to experiment with different colors, this is the kit for you. What people say. The kit includes everything you need to get started, including different nail shapes and sizes. The acrylic powder and liquid are a good quality and easy to work with, creating a smooth and durable finish. The UV lamp is powerful and cures the gel polish quickly and evenly. Number 3. Saviland Acrylic Nail Kit. Discover the ultimate acrylic nail kit, perfect for beginners. It includes everything you need to get started right away. This comprehensive set features clear, nude, and pink acrylic powders, along with a liquid monomer. You'll also find a number 12 brush, cuticle oil pen, and nail forms. Create stunning nail extensions and intricate 3D designs with ease. Achieve professional-looking results every time. Whether you're doing your nails at home or working in a salon, this kit is designed for both. Enjoy the flexibility and quality it offers. Its user-friendly design makes it ideal for DIY enthusiasts. Get salon-quality nails without leaving your home. What we like. This is a truly comprehensive kit designed for both home DIY and salon use. It comes with high-quality acrylic powder and liquid, a professional brush, and tools for extensions and 3D nails. If you're looking for a kit that offers professional results and allows for creative freedom in nail art, this is the one to get. What people say. The acrylic powder is fine and easy to use for beginners. The monomer liquid has a low odor and dries quickly. The kit includes all the essential tools needed for a full set of acrylic nails. Number 2. Saviland Acrylic Nail Starter Kit. Discover the complete package for beautiful acrylic nails. This set has everything you need to get started, right at home. Achieve salon-quality results with ease. Our kit provides high-quality acrylic powder and liquid for a flawless finish every time. From brushes and files to forms and press-on nails, this kit includes all the essential tools. Practice and perfect your skills with confidence. Whether you're new to acrylics or a seasoned artist, this set is designed for your convenience. Enjoy creating stunning nail designs anywhere. Unleash your creativity with this comprehensive acrylic nail starter kit. Experience the joy of beautiful, long-lasting nails. What we like. This kit provides a comprehensive set of essentials for practicing acrylic nails at home. It includes clear, pink, and nude powders, along with all the necessary tools. If you're just starting out and want a convenient all-in-one solution to experiment with different colors, this is the kit for you. What people say. The kit includes a variety of colors and glitters, allowing for creative nail designs. The acrylic powder and liquid are easy to work with, providing a smooth application for beginners. The included nail files and buffers help achieve a professional finish. Number 1. Saviland Acrylic Nail Starter Kit. Discover the complete package for stunning acrylic nails. This set has everything you need to get started, right at your fingertips. Achieve salon-quality manicures in the comfort of your own home. It's designed for both beginners and experienced users alike. Inside, you'll find clear, pink, and nude acrylic powders, along with the essential liquid monomer. Plus, all the tools for application and shaping are included. Whether you're practicing new techniques or creating your next masterpiece, this kit provides the quality and versatility you desire. Enjoy a seamless application process that leads to durable and beautiful acrylic nails. Get ready to elevate your nail game. What we like. This kit provides a comprehensive set of essentials for practicing acrylic nails at home. It includes clear, pink, and nude powders, along with all the necessary tools. If you're just starting out and want a convenient all-in-one solution to experiment with different colors, this is the kit for you. What people say. The acrylic powder is fine and easy to apply. The monomer liquid has a mild smell and dries quickly. The kit includes a variety of colors and glitters, perfect for creating different nail designs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.